Why do you look so sad, with your eyes that's so blue? Can I share a secret today about why you feel so blue? Because sad stories is all I see when I look at you. When I look at you. So why do you look so sad? Why do you feel empty? Why do you feel lost? Why do you feel broken? Why do you feel the nothingness that's whispering every day into your ears, telling you you are lost? Let's look at how you were made. Who made you? Why are you here? What's the whole fucking point of all this? Let's keep it simple and use this place you'll never escape. Let's use this place as an example. And that place, this place is called the universe. The endlessness, the infinity of the endlessness of existence, the explosion of creativity into the endlessness of possibilities. You never know what's going to happen next. Wow. Because imagine if you are God, prime creator, source, isness, everythingness. Imagine you are this God and you sit all day long. You are immortal, you are endless, you're going to be here forever. Imagine you sit all day long. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. Repeat the same process over again and make the same being over and over again. Copies of each other. Copies and more copies. You will go insane. You'll go insane if your creation, if your universe is just copies of another thing that's already been created. You'll go mad. So let's look at this universe. Creation. Create. Creation. Create. Not copy. Create. Let's look at this creation and let's look at nature. It's a simple example. It's that place you never visit. It's that place you don't care about. It's that place that you think needs you instead of you needing it. That place where that funny stuff is. It's called trees and animals and insects and life. And the endless abundanceness of explosion of creation into experiences of all possibilities of existence. This is where life explodes, and this is where creation happens, and this is where anything is possible, because every single thing in that creation is unique. Unique, even the smallest, the teensiest of essence, the smallest little energy or being is unique, because not even a snowflake looks like the snowflake next to it. Not even an ant. Not even an ant looks like the ant next to it. And that ant is not copying the ant next to it. Every little ant, flower, fruit, tree is unique. Unique within itself. Nothing in the universe is copied. Nothing is copied. Everything is unique. And everything has got purpose. Because there would be no need for something to exist if it's just another copy of something else. How boring. How stupid. How dumb. How stupid would that be? To look around. I must look like that. I must drive this to be successful. I must wear this and I'll be accepted. I must do this and I'll find love. I will check these boxes. I'm copying the boxes. I'm checking the boxes. And now I will find love. And now I'm going to be successful. And now I'm going to be accepted. And now I'm going to be respected. Copy and paste. Sheep. Meh. Sheep. And I love sheep. I apologize, sheep. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, human? The whole universe is telling you, shouting at you, exploding in your face with the possibilities of creation, the endlessness of being. That it's you, that makes you beautiful, with all your bullshit and all your chaos. Doesn't matter if you say fuck or cunt. Doesn't matter if you got fucked in your cunt. As long as it was your choice. What's wrong with you? Not even the ants. Not even a flower. Not one animal in this whole of the universe, in everything in creation and in nature. Nothing is copied. Because those who create, the great gardeners of creation, if you look at what you create, and it's just fucking copies of the next thing, you'll go mad. But imagine a universe, imagine a creation, where even the teensiest of insect, the teensiest of being, energy or essence, is unique. And you do not know what's going to happen next with that little insect, this little plant, this little fruit. What's it going to do? Kaboom! The explosion of the endlessness of experiences into existence. And this is what you are as well. This is what you are as well. But you are fucking confused. Why do you think you look so normal? Why do you think it's not worth paying attention to you, despite all your boxes that's been checked? Look here, it's new. Look at the key. Oh, it's not even a key. You press a little button. Look here, start now. You walk down the street, and every fucking sheep like you has got one as well. Look here, look here. Look who I belong to. Whole closet full of that shit. Nothing wrong with building a wonderful life, creating and exploding into your own creativity. But when you are not creating, when you are not the creator, when you are not being you and you're not being endless and unique within yourself, beautiful, endless being, you are copy and you are copying what's already been created. There's no need for you. We do not need you here. What's your purpose? What are you doing here? Meh. Your beauty lies in the simple fact that there's nothing else in this universe like you. And this is a universe with 100 trillion galaxies. 100 trillion. Nothing gets copied. Nothing gets repeated. And in this little galaxy, there's over 150 billion human forms. Essence in human bodies. In just this galaxy alone, 150 billion. And none of these beings can care for a second to try and look like someone else. Because they're all unique. So what's going on here on Earth? What's going on here? And even when you speak, there's certain rules you should obey so you can speak properly. Do not swear. Do not swear. You'll not be respected. So everything about your life, when you open your mouth, and now even your mind is being controlled by little screens that tell you how you are supposed to think. So not even your mind belongs to you anymore. This is also a copy of a little plastic screen you stare at, which tells you how you should behave every single day while you're checking your little boxes. You know what? And after all your boxes has been checked, the brand new shiny thing there on the rubber wheels all your shiny screens have been polished. And that thing, that prison you live in, that will never be yours because you're paying for it. It's not a home. After it's all been polished and it shines, and the guy at the end of the street that looks exactly like you can see how it shines. After all the boxes has been checked and all the polish has been spilled out and everything's shiny. After all that, you get into bed at night and you are confused. And your solution is, what else do I need to go and get? Covers for the seats in my rubber thing with the 4 rubber wheels. A plastic cover for my shiny screen. Wait, shoes. I need shoes for that new scarf. You are average. You are boring. You are unimpressive. And all universe, all creation is shouting at you. There's no purpose for you if you copy. There's only purpose when you create, like an ant and like a flower, like a tree and like a rock and like a nut and like a squirrel that's trying to be the best nut and the best squirrel it can be, the best tree that it can be, exploding into possibility. Wow. You do not know what that little ant's going to do next to the other ant. It's unique. Kaboom! Explosion of creativity into the endlessness of experiences of creation. Imagine the God, the isness, the prime creator, the allness, the everythingness that sits behind all of this. There's a goddess as well. There's a hot fucking babe as well. Oh yes, wait. Watch how you speak. Not fucking goddess. There's a beautiful goddess as well. Watching like a hen or a rooster over the eggs. This endlessness. The endlessness of everythingness. The explosion into infinity. This is simple to understand. But you see, this thing is also not yours anymore. What's the neighbor doing? What's my friends doing? What's this thing saying I must do? To check my boxes: success, religion, love, respect, acceptance, society, government, education. If I know this ABC, I will get this DEF. Insecure, empty, lonely, depressed. What are you going to do? What you going to do? Now you got to pay for poison. Poison, it says there, what's wrong with you? And you say, oh, my thing that's not mine anymore is hurting. Now they're going to cure that, not even cure. They're going to take that away for a minute. But if you just look, if you open your eyes and look there, we're going to give you relief here. But there's 50 other parts now that we're going to break. And you say, oh, no problem, no problem. So you poison yourself. You get relief here for a few hours. But 50 other parts of you gets poisoned. And it says there, this might happen, this will happen, this will break, this will leak, this will explode, this will stink, this will that. Anal leakage, irritation, rash, depression. Just as long as you can feel better about that one little thing. Now, one of the thing doesn't work. It's been poisoned. It's been brainwashed. Why do you look so sad? And your eyes are so blue. Doesn't matter what I tell you. All you're thinking is, go fuck you. So we cry together. We cry together. But what you do not know is that I love you. That I love you. The liar, someone who lies to himself and wants truth. Their lies, wants to be their truth, wants to turn lies into truth, will always hate those who speak the truth. So it's impossible for you to ever understand that those you hate so much, when you are a liar, are actually those who are trying to save your life. No, you didn't get it. Those you hate so much, if you are a liar, you'll never understand, are the ones working hard every single day to expose the truth so you can also be saved from this prison you've been imprisoned in.